Everyone wants to get rich, but most people don't have a map. They're driving blind, hoping to stumble into success. The truth is, wealth follows pattern, and once you see the exact map, the route becomes clear. It's not magic, it's math, mindset, and movement. The real path to getting rich starts with one thing: understanding leverage. Leverage is using system, people, or tools that multiply your time and results. That's why the richest people are not necessarily the hardest workers, they are the most leveraged. Think of this as your wealth GPS. The first stop is income generation. You need one high income skill. It could be digital marketing, sales, copywriting, coding, trading, or content creation. Pick a skill that solves a problem for people with money. Once you master that skill, it becomes your engine, the thing that powers everything else. The second stop on the map is scalability. Once you are making income, you can't stay trapped in time for money trades. You scale through automation or ownership. That means starting a business, launching a brand, building a product, or even creating digital assets that pay you 24/7. This is where online businesses shine. YouTube channels, online courses, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, they all are systems to make money while you sleep. The third stop is investing. When you start earning more than you spend, every dollar becomes a worker. You spend it to buy more time, more asset, and more freedom. The goal is not just saving, it's multiplying. You can use stocks, real estate, crypto, or your own business equity. The well don't chase money, they build machines that print it. Then there's the mindset. This is the part most people skip, but it's the foundation. Getting rich requires delayed gratification, obsession with learning, and the courage to take risks when others hesitate. You can't follow the average map and expect uncommon result. And finally, you need location, not just physical but digital. Surrounded yourself with people, communities, and platforms that move you forward. Where you operate matters. The internet made it possible to build global income from anywhere. So position yourself where opportunity is fastest. The exact map to getting rich is not hidden. It's right here. Build a skill, scale it, invest it, and stay consistent long enough to let compound growth do the work. The world rewards clarity, and this is the clearest path there is.